morning guys, we're here at number 26th Street, corner McKinley Parkway dito sa BGC. So once again guys, that's the finance center, yung blue na tower. So lumipat tayo dito sa magandang pwesto para makita ang mga buildings ng BGC. And that's the 7th Avenue, corner 26th Street. So maganda ng mga towers and buildings. Dito yan makikita guys, sa 7th Avenue, corner 26th Street. And what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, join me for a morning walk here at number 26th Street, BGC. Okay. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell button so that ma-update tayo sa mga videos natin. Tara na, let's go! Here at BGC once again, and we're here at number 26th Street, corner McKinley Parkway dito sa Taguig. So let's go guys. At go na. So ayan nga pala guys, is the SM Aura. At straight lang tayo dito guys. So ito guys, yung Serendra sa kanan at saka sa kaliwa, Serendra rin yan guys. So mayroon isang overpass din guys, so from Serendra dito sa kanan at saka tawid dito sa Serendra sa kabila. So we're now approaching guys the 11th Avenue, corner 26th Street. At yung tower na yan guys is the south of the market. Ayan guys, south of the market. Yung mga pusa dito guys. So that's the south of the market guys. So we're now here at the 11th Avenue, corner 26th Street guys. And that's the south of the market. On our left side guys is the Infinity Tower. So ito guys, at maraming dogs yung buwan natin dito, nasa loob. So, eight na dogs. Ayan guys. So straight lang tayo guys. So on our left side guys is the finance center. Ayan guys ang finance center. So punan natin sa malayuan mamaya. So may mga nagja-jogging din dito guys at nag-walking. So ayan guys ang finance center. Ito yung tower niya guys. Una natin sa malayuan mamaya. And now we're approaching guys at the 9th Avenue. So ang ganda ng mga buildings dito guys. So, marami pang ginagawa. So this is the 9th Avenue, corner 26th Street. Waiting tayo para tumawid guys. So may naglilinis dito sa kanan guys. So ito guys ang Bonifacio South Street sa kanan. Ayun ang Bonifacio South Street. The BGC Art Center guys. Maybank Performing Arts. And that's the Finance Center, I mean. Tower. So on our left side guys is the amphitheater. On our right side guys is the Verb Residence Tower 1. Ayan. So once again guys, that's the finance center, yung blue na tower. So lumipat tayo dito sa magandang pwesto para makita ang mga buildings ng BGC. And that's the 7th Avenue, corner 26th Street here at BGC guys. So waiting tayo para tumawid guys. That's the beautiful tower of Finance Center. here at BGC. Yung sa likod natin is the amphitheater. So ayan guys, tatawid na tayo. So maganda ng mga towers and buildings. Dito yan makikita guys sa 7th Avenue, corner 26th Street. So yung may bakod guys sa kanan, yan ang dating The Fort. So giniba siya at i-upgrade nila guys. So on the left side guys is the Icon Plaza. At yung sa kanan natin na mataas na Emphasis na yan at saka Procter & Gamble guys. On our left side guys is the RCBC building. So it's 8 o'clock in the AM na guys. Medyo kuha na yung araw. At yung sa left side natin guys is the Pioneer House, BGC. Ito yung bagong building dito. Approaching na tayo guys sa 5th Avenue, corner 26th Street. At yung sa right side natin guys is the 7 Neo. So ito na guys yung 5th Avenue. Kapag diretsoin mo yan guys, doon makikita ang BGC portal at saka Bonifacio High Street. So waiting tayo guys para tumawid. That's the 6 Neo guys. Tawid na tayo guys. Saglit lang talaga yung kwan dito. Yung lights. Yung tower na yan guys is the One McKinley. One McKinley Place Tower. That's the 6 Neo. And approaching tayo guys sa 4th Avenue, corner 26th Street. Abutan tayo ng stop guys. So that's the 4th Avenue guys. On our right side guys is the Marajo Tower. So itong nasa left natin is the One McKinley. So approaching tayo sa 3rd Avenue guys. That's the one Neo. One McKinley Place dito sa right. Left side natin yan. So we're now approaching guys the 3rd Avenue. At dead end na yan sa dulo guys sa Forbes Town. So dito tayo mag-end guys. BGC bus here sa right side natin. So dito sa left natin guys is the De Jesus Oval. So marami ring mga nagja-jogging dyan sa Oval. And that's our morning walk here at number 26th Street, BGC, Taguig. So guys, wag natin kalimutan mag-subscribe and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin. Till next walking tour again guys. Have a nice weekend. Junito Mar na vlog.